Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Chill and Fill. Today we will be preparing a quick and easy starter, butter garlic mushroom. For that you need only few ingredients. To start with, mushrooms, finely chopped onion, finely chopped garlic pods. You can use garlic powder instead. Coriander leaves, black pepper powder, oregano, salt as per your taste, and butter. Here I have taken flavored butter, that is garlic and herbs. You can use unflavored and plain butter as well. Let's start with the preparation. Heat a pan, add butter to it. When the butter starts melting and is heated, we'll add onions to it. You can use spring onions as well. Keep frying and stirring the onions until it turns transparent. Once the onions turn transparent, add garlic. I have finely chopped the garlic. You can use garlic powder instead. Keep frying until the garlic turns aromatic. Now add mushroom to it. I have thinly sliced mushroom here, but you can use mushroom as a whole or roughly chopped mushrooms. The size depends on the individual. Keep frying the onions. No need to add extra water. Mushroom oozes out the water itself, so you don't have to add extra water to it. And mushroom cooks very easily and very fast, so it should take hardly 5 to 10 minutes to prepare this dish. You can see that there is water oozed out from the mushroom. Now I'm adding black pepper to it. You can add as much as spice you want. Then adding salt as per the taste. Oregano. Give a quick stir. Mix all the flavors. Cover and cook for some time. Keep stirring in between. You will see that mushrooms are already cooked. Now if you want the water to remain, then you can just put off the flame and this is done. Or else dry the water out. Keep on a high flame and keep stirring so that it doesn't stick to the pan. Now I'm adding a teaspoon of butter for an extra taste. You can skip this step as well. So you'll see that the water has dried out and these are ready. I'll put off the flame and add coriander. Give a quick mix. And this is ready and it tastes yum. Please do try out this recipe. Serve hot. Garnish it with oreganos, and if you have parsley or coriander, just sprinkle them, and this is ready to eat. The ingredients used in today's recipes are listed in the description below. That's for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed watching it. Do try out today's recipe and please give us a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to receive the notification. Bye.